In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Capital.com to TradingView. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to their official website, which is TradingView.com, and then over here you want to log in or sign into your account, and then hover over Products and click on Super Charts. Once you're inside Super Charts here at the bottom, you want to click on the last tab which says Trading Panel. Click on that. And you can even maximize this a bit by just dragging it up like that. And then in here, you will basically have to find Capital.com. So let me just find it really quickly. If you can see it here at the beginning, you have to basically click all brokers, but for me, it's going to be Capital.com over here. To connect it, basically, you just have to click and then press connect. And just like this, you'll be redirected to Capital.com over here, and then you'll have to basically just put in your email address and password you used to log into Capital.com, and then you can of course continue with Apple ID, Facebook or Google as well, in case that's how you made your account. Then just press continue, and just like this, basically you have connected your Capital.com account to TradingView. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.